Hello everyone, I'm Echo from Terra Scientific. In machining, quality, cost, and technology are the keys to success. Today, I'm excited to introduce a game changer, the Terra's handheld XRF alloy analyzer. This analyzer is powerful. It quickly and accurately checks the composition of any alloy, common metals or real mixes. Nothing gets past it. From raw materials checks to production monitoring and scrap recycling, it gives you reliable data for smarter decisions. We offer different modes. The EulerX delivers top-tier precision, perfect for high-end manufacturing and research. The Pi model is cost-effective choice for fast, on-site testing, ideal for workshops and recycling yards. Checking income materials is your first line for defense, a critical PMI step. Raw materials can cause big problems. In aerospace or marine parts, bad materials lead to corrosion or cracks, risking safety. In valves or turbine blades, they cause failures and costly downtime. Our XRF analyzer ensures every material is correct before production starts, stopping defects at the source. The XRF analyzer is a scrap sorting superstar. It quickly tells stainless steel, aluminum, and copper apart, speeding up recycling. But it also helps with pricing. For example, stainless steel's value depends on nickel molybdenum concentration. The price is huge difference between the nickel with 8% and 13% concentration. In aluminum recycling, the price is different. Aluminum grades change based on the magnesium and silicon ratios. No more guesswork. Get accurate scrap values and avoid losing money. Got mystery metal? No problem. The XRF analyzer identifies unknown materials in seconds. When we face unknown materials, we can use it to detect it directly. The time is around 15 seconds. And then we can see the grade and the composition of the samples. It is very quickly and convenient. It's also a must-have for customers, catching alloy smuggling with price element checks. From raw materials to finished parts and scrap recycling, the XRF analyzer closes the loop, making it the ultimate tool for machining. Plus, it's versatile, testing costing, analyze historical artifacts, or check soil minerals. Choosing the Terra's XRF analyzer for accuracy, speed, and reliability, and stay ahead in quality, cost, and technology.